How's it going, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, and I have an announcement to make in today's video. So I have been thinking for the past week or so, what if we had a publishing slash make money online live event sometime early next year in Las Vegas? What I'm thinking, guys, is that, well, we've all been kind of stuck at home for a while this year, and wouldn't it be fun if we as publishers all got together, spend some time learning from each other, masterminding, hanging out, along with also enjoying the Las Vegas trip and just having a really fun time. So thinking about that, would you guys actually be interested in attending an event maybe for, I'm thinking 3 or 4 days? Nothing too high ticket. I'm gonna make it relatively affordable to attend an event, and it's gonna be more low key compared to how we did in Lake Tahoe last year. So I do have event space on the strip that can be utilized, like center on the strip next to the Cosmopolitan and Bellagio. And from there, there's actually a lot of talent, a lot of speakers we can bring in from Vegas. So aside from the usual crew you'd know in publishing, there's definitely some entrepreneurs that I can talk to and consider bringing in to speak with you guys if you're interested in a live event. That being said, I'm thinking of capping this one at like 15 or 20 attendees. Keep it small, keep it relatively intimate so that everyone can really know each other, and we can have some fun too, even after the event, like I said. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually gauge if there is interest in something like this. Right now, I'm thinking the best time to hold an event here in Vegas would be after the holidays. So I'm thinking between somewhere around January, February, or March. January being the obvious soonest, and the latest being March. So I'm gonna make a form below in the description of this video, and this is no obligation. If you're even remotely interested in attending an event in Las Vegas related to publishing, just put out your name and your email, and that way I can kind of get an idea of who's interested. And along with that, if there is enough interest, I can go ahead, pull the trigger, and get the official announcement that we'll have a live event next year. So with that, I do have to obviously get a lot of preparation done and see what we'll have lined up for you guys. And I'm thinking we can give you all a few bonuses for those of you who attend, but that's all preliminary. I've got a lot of work to do if this comes to fruition. If you guys have any questions about how we'd hold a live event here in Vegas, or if you have any concerns, especially around with travel and everything concerning travel restrictions, leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer you. So until then, guys, take care. See you later.